Stuck happens, from everyday crises to messy disconnects and emotional conversations. It's how we become unstuck that's the real challenge. Getting visual is our power tool. Join us for this hands-on workshop that brings together powerful yet simple visual tools and mindsets. Participants will confidently sketch different scenarios to see new possibilities in the people involved, what's happening, what matters most, ways forward, and steps to try first. See real applications and impact, and apply and coach these yourself so that you and people you teach, parent, or lead can recognize and conquer stuck back home. Hi, I'm Ella, and we'll see you at South by Southwest EDU.
Hi, I'm Kim, and we'll see you at South by Southwest EDU.
And hi, I'm Manuel, and we'll see you at South by Southwest EDU.